Okay, this one's kind of
Uh-oh.
yeah, this one's a bit hot, but I don't know if you want to see it.
Wait. The way you're saying, go ahead, Will. Go ahead.
Because it is controversial. No one wants to see like
I don't know.
screenshots of GTA 6.
This frame is this page is the first time it's in front of me. I have no information. I'm supposed to answer that. You got to give me some breakdown here. What's going on?
Well, I'm just giving like the audience a warning.
Oh,
Like
a
maybe
spoiler
skip
alert?
it because yeah, it could be a spoiler. It is a screenshot of GTA 6.
No, the chat is saying go ahead, Will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll figure it out together.
The chat is saying go ahead, Will.
Let's discover.
So I'm going to reiterate. I'm going to say go ahead, Will.
Okay. Well, the title is GTA 6 first screenshot is blowing fans away. How's that for a title, eh? The first screenshot. It's not this one here. Wow. I think that's still GTA 5.
Well, you're a risky dude these days, man.
Yeah, I'm playing
It may not feel like it, but with
game.
each passing day, we edge closer towards a Grand Theft Auto reveal. It's a moment that I think about quite often, certain chaotic energy that powers you when it comes to covering breaking news. I can only imagine that when it comes to something as anticipated as the new GTA, that chaos energy will be surging through me like never before.
Who wrote this? Okay, let's just...
Kate wrote it. Kate's into it, man.
Yeah.
Jeez. I mean, I know people are excited, but whew, GTA 6, as shared by Reddit user The Tense Doctor, the screenshot shows a female playable character walking around a city suburb at night. So we're no longer talking about a user-generated playtime. We're not talking about Unreal Engine. We're talking about an actual screenshot.
This is like a development stage, apparently, in... like GTA. Like it's a work in progress.
Looking at the characters used, it's likely that these are test models, and there's a chance that this screenshot was obtained during last year's leak, but overall, the first look certainly boasts some impressive graphics. Okay. They say go ahead.
Are you ready?
They say go ahead, Will.
It's from a Reddit forum.
Click to see spoiler. Whoa.
Okay, let's check it
You're
out.
so serious. Oh, lighting. The temperature of lighting, the spillover and glow of lighting, the shadows. This looks. You're good, right? I'm good with this.
This looks fantastic.
Yes.
The fact that it looks like night. There's realistic lighting, a shadow fall off, the bloom of the lights.
I mean, even the pavement texture in the bottom left corner.
And it looks like real shadows, like it's really dark.
Yeah.
You know how it's like contrasted really correctly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at the way that light over there on the right-hand side is hitting that bike rack or whatever that is.
Uh-huh.
It's having to hit the circular portion of the shape at the top and then roll down perfectly down the side. You see what I'm talking about? It's one of those bike racks.
Yeah. It looks really damn good. I'm excited for it.
Is that a tree in the foreground here? Or is that...
Yeah, it looks like a branch or something.
Huh. And like a slight neon light over on the left. Now, the figures themselves, when I look to the left, they definitely look like kind of test models.
Yeah. But, I mean, it's still in development, obviously.
Yep.
This could be potentially like an older screenshot.
Yeah.
But it's looking really good.
Yeah, somebody here says, okay, I'm not into lighting. I'm into character models, and these are terrible. That's what somebody says.
Yeah.
Somebody says in the chat, sketch therapy.
That's fair enough.
Well, I don't think the models are what we're supposed to be focusing on this screenshot. I don't think the character model is actually the key component here. I think you're supposed to be looking actually at the atmosphere.
Yeah. And I think the screenshot speaks a lot to how the environment is lit and how GTA is actually lit. It looks really nice. Looks really clean. So, yeah.
Wow. Breaking news. Well, take it easy over there.
Yeah.
I can feel GTA 6 surging through my body.
Yeah. Take-Two is giving us a lawsuit very soon.
Well, don't even.
We're dead.
It's just a screenshot. You showed it to me. Yeah. Sorry, what's that? Mo? Are you talking to us? Did you want to come say something?
Here he comes.
Well, I don't know. I couldn't hear you over there, and you were you're trying to signal something. Did you want to? Did you want to? Because you were. I saw you over there, and then. So did you want to?
A lot of go ahead mows.
Yeah, it's because you go ahead Mo is over here. You know.
Yeah, I haven't been in the chat today.
Why is that, Mo?
I'm busy working on stuff. We got stuff cooking.
Sure.
We got stuff cooking.
But so anyway, yeah. So go ahead.
You guys want some coffee?
I'm good, Mo. Thanks.
Thanks.
Are you offering that to us or to the chat?
Sure, do they want some coffee?
To the chat, okay.
He's gonna hand deliver it, each one.
No, I'm good. Thanks, Mo. Thanks for the offer.
Yeah.
I couldn't hear him. He was all the way over there. Couldn't hear him. So he's got the headphones on. Will I only hear what's in the mic there. Yeah, some people are ordering some Tim's, and you go ahead and tell me how you take your coffee, guys. What do you want in it? Anything? You want to drink dark roast? Mm-hmm. That's what I do at Tim's. I do the dark roast at Tim's. You do the dark roast at Tim's? Try to get a little more coffee flavor into it. You know?
Like the strong flavor.
Well, I try because I want to taste the coffee. Well,
but Tim Hortons coffee, or
the dark roast, at least I feel like there's coffee in there, and it's not
watered down,
not tea. You know, you wouldn't want to hurt the coffee. Well,
yeah,
you remember that Al Pacino? You wouldn't want to hurt the coffee.
Where's that from?
You don't remember that?
I don't remember.
Can you give me a search on that, Will? You wouldn't want to hurt the coffee. I think he's talking about the bean. Wouldn't want to hurt the coffee. Al Pacino. This is one of Vin's favorite clips. I believe he sent it. Yeah, Al Pacino for Vittoria Coffee. Let's get a play on this. Let's get a play on this here. Yeah, this is.
I guess I've been drinking coffee since I was, 5? 6 maybe. These cold mornings up there in the South Bronx, Granddad would go into the kitchen, heat up some coffee. And there I was, little Al, and he'd just give me a little sip. Not much, mind you. I mean, sometimes a spoonful, give me a little taste. So coffee became part of a ritual. This is a good coffee.
That's not it. Where does he say?
It's a series of ads. You need to get the other. This was like a shortened. This is a shortened. And that's good. That is a good. Growing up in South Bronx, it wouldn't be much. Just a sip, but that's good coffee right there. No, we need the real one though. So you're gonna have to go back. You're gonna have to just click back.
Is this a replay?
Yeah. No, you're just playing the same one again.
Okay.
So it's gonna be that. It's got to be that one right there. 2:10 is longer, right?
Coffee since I was, 5? Part of a
No, this
ritual.
is the same one.
This is a good coffee.
Oh, leave it. Leave it. Yeah, these are different versions of the edit.
Expert out of the equation. I know coffee. There's 2 things I know in life I'm confident to say. 2 things. One is coffee. The other, What'd you forget? I forgot. This is a good coffee. Victoria coffee.
Is it gonna come?
Yes, it is.
When you're making a movie, you get up real early. So you need all the help you can get. When I'm reading the script, when I'm rehearsing, coffee goes with my line of work. Without coffee, I'm gonna feel like something's missing in the day. I'm gonna feel awkward. I'm not gonna feel the same. Most of my scripts have coffee stains on them. That's how you know it's a Pacino script. This is good coffee.
No, we'll leave it.
Time, so I think that should qualify me as someone who knows about coffee. It started out with my having sugar in my coffee and milk in my coffee. Then I got rid of the milk, got rid of the sugar, and now it's just plain coffee, straight. And that's how I know coffee is a good coffee. I don't want to hurt coffee by putting sugar in it.
Oh, there it is.
You insult the coffee.
I wouldn't want to.
insult the
Wouldn't
coffee.
need sugar.
I wouldn't want to hurt coffee. Don't insult the coffee.
Oh, wow.
What an unusual engagement, that relationship there, that endorsement. It's interesting. And even like watching those different edits, the editor wanted to keep in that shot and that statement at the end. That's good coffee. That's good coffee.
With the cup at the very end.
There's two things I know about, and I know coffee. The other thing, I forgot.
So Vin likes that ad there?
Listen, man, you wouldn't want
Big
to.
fan?
Don't hurt coffee. Don't insult coffee. Your sugar in your milk, all right? You've insulted coffee.
Yeah. He slapped it in the face.
I love how he keeps saying, I know coffee. He's like, I'm not an expert, but I know coffee. It's so...
But he's allowed to say that because he's Pacino. You know?
Absolutely.
I give him more respect for that.
A legend. Like, don't you believe that he knows coffee?
I definitely believe that.
He knows coffee.
Yeah.
And he wouldn't hurt coffee or insult coffee.
No, he would embrace it.
Yeah.